Okay, so if you're watching this video, that means that you finished the practice quiz in class. So this is going to show you how you did on it. So make sure you have it out and you're correcting, and then if you got anything wrong, make sure you change it. So the first part says name the terms, coefficients, and constants in the following expressions. So if you remember, terms are every part of the problem except for the plus, the minus, the multiplication, and the division signs. So your terms for the first one should be 3b, 4, 8, and w. Every part of the problem that's not an operation. Coefficients are all the numbers attached to the letters. So not the letter and the number, just the number attached to it. So 3b, you'd have 3. And then w has nothing next to it, so you have to remember that if it's a variable with nothing next to it, the coefficient is 1. Constants are the numbers all by themselves, so 4 and 8. For the next one, your terms are every part of the problem except for the operations. So 10L, N, 8K, and 12. So that's every part except for an operation. Your coefficients are your numbers that are attached to the variable. So that would be 10, 8, and again, we have a letter by itself, so 1. Constants are the numbers all by themselves. The only number all by itself is 12. So make sure you have these. If you didn't, make sure you pause it and you correct these so you know for tomorrow. Fill in the blanks. An expression with only numbers and operations is called a numerical expression. Remember, NUM for number. An algebraic expression has at least one variable in it. So remember AL for alphabet. Always use keywords to determine which operations you write when writing expressions. So check those, make sure you got those. All variables have coefficients. If you can't visibly see the coefficient, always use 1 as the coefficient. All right, evaluating. So evaluate the expression when A equals 14, B equals 10, C equals 8. Show all of your work. So A divided by 7 plus C, change the A to a 14. So 14 divided by 7 plus C, which is 8. You're doing the order of operations, so you want to do your division first. 14 divided by 7 is 2 plus 8, so your final answer is 10. For number 8, a number next to a letter means times, so I'm just going to rewrite it as 6 times A, which is 14, minus B times C, so that is 10 times 8. You want to do your multiplication first for PEMDAS. So 6 times 14 is 84, 10 times 8 is 80, and then 84 minus 80 is 4. Okay, number 9, B to the second power is B times B. So in this case, 10 times 10 plus 2C is 2 times whatever C is, which is 8. Order of operations, you're going to multiply first, so that's going to become a 100 plus a 16. So your answer is 116. Okay, last one, B minus C is in parentheses, so you would do that first. So that is 10 minus 8 times 15. So that's going to be 2 times 15, which equals 30. Check those, see how you did. The next one, you need to write the phrase as an expression and then tell me whether it's algebraic or numerical. So 8 less than 15, less than is your key phrase, which means subtract. When it's saying 8 less than 15, that means you were taking away the 8. So order matters. It has to be 115 minus 8, which is numerical because they're only numbers. Product of 10 and 15. So product means times. So 10 times 15, also numerical because it's all numbers. The total of 64 and L, total means addition. So 64 plus L. This is algebraic because there's a letter in it. And then the difference of 34 and M would be 34 minus M, and that's algebraic because there's letters. So you're not solving any of these, you're just writing it out. Tell me whether it's numerical or algebraic. Okay, the next part, write the phrase as an expression and then evaluate. So you need to have 2 answers. So the difference of Y and X, all divided by 5. Well, difference is subtraction. So Y minus X, all divided by 5. So when they say all, that means you have to get this answer first and then divide it by 5. So Y minus X divided by 5 is going to be 36 minus 11. So 36 minus 11, all divided by 5. You're going to do your parentheses first. So that becomes 25 divided by 5, which equals 5. You need both answers, this and then doing, so like your actual algebraic expression, and then you want to solve it. Next one, 3 more than, so 3 plus the quotient of y and 6. So y divided by 6, quotient means division. So there's the first part, now you want to evaluate it. So 3 plus y is 36 divided by 6. Order of operations, so division first. So 3 plus 6, which equals 9. So you need both answers, the algebraic expression and then your work to get the answer. Okay, the last two, you're X years old, your uncle is 2 more than 5 times your age. Write an expression you could use to represent your uncle's age. They want you to use the letter X for your age. So your uncle is 2 more than 5 times your age. So that's going to be 2 plus, for more than, 5 times your age is 5x, because your X is your age. If you are 12 years old, how old is your uncle? You're just replacing the X with 12, and then doing the order of operations. So you're going to do multiplication first. So you get 2 times 60. So your uncle is 62. The last one, it costs $50 to join a fitness club plus $30 per month. How much would it cost for 1, 2, and 3 months, including the membership fee? Make a chart like we did in class. So I'm going to write month and price. So it hasn't even been a month yet, but you walked in and paid your membership fee. So that's for 0 months, it's $50. 1 month has now gone by. So it's $50 that you paid to join plus $30 for month 1. Month 2, $50 that you paid to join plus 30 for the first month plus 30 for the second month. And then for month 3, you have your $50 for the membership fee plus 30 for month 1 plus 30 for month 2 plus 30 for month 3. So that would be the chart that you want to show me. The last one, it says write an expression or the general rule to find the cost for M months. So it's saying, what is the general rule here? So they're all starting with a 50 and a plus sign, so that should be the beginning of your expression. They're repeatedly adding 30, which is the same as multiplying by 30. So 30 times M for the amount of months. And that would be it. So hopefully you did okay. If you didn't, make sure you go over this and you understand how to do it for tomorrow, because the test is going to look exactly like it.